You tired of constantly scrolling through Reels manually on Instagram? There's a way for videos to move automatically without you touching the screen. In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic scrolling of Reels videos on Instagram quickly and easily. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. Now let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, you'll see an update button. Tap on it and wait a few seconds for the app to update. Once the app is updated, you'll see the open button, just like I have here. Tap on it to go directly into the Instagram app. After you're inside Instagram, open the Reels section by tapping on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with options. In the menu, you'll see the auto scroll option. Tap the toggle to enable it. After you activate this option, when you reach the end of a video, it will no longer replay. Instead, it will automatically move to the next reel. Now I'll fast forward the video to the very end so you can clearly see how Instagram automatically switches to the next reel without repeating. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.